So the Yi Jin Jing series, the Muscle Tendon Change Classics, is a very ancient exercise, said to have been practiced around the 6th century AD, roughly, allegedly by Bodhidharma and his disciples at the Shaolin Temple. And I want to show you the first of the whole series, which is basically presenting the pestle, parts 1, 2, and 3. And what this does is it emphasizes an incredible tendon, ligament, and muscle stretch. Okay, so those of you that are familiar with your classic stance, where you have a nice relaxed stance and you're holding the energy ball, much like standing meditation or Zhang, and we're standing like this. And what we're doing though is expanding the energy ball outward. So this is number 1. This is part 1 of presenting the pestle. And we're basically extending our energy outward with our arms. So this incredible, beautiful energy ball is extending outward and forward while our spine is going up and down. So there's an incredible stretch up while we're going up on our toes. So it's like getting an incredible ligament and tendon stretch in multiple directions. So we're going up and then relaxing, which means the spine's contracting a little bit. Nice deep breath in, nice and gentle though, gentle breaths, up on the toes. Expand the fingers just slightly. Nice deep breath and relax. We're going to do this a third time. Breathing in, expand the fingers, grow your spine up, extend outward, and relax. So the key is going to be the relaxation as much as it is the stretch. That's why they call it the tendon muscle change classic, okay? Because we're extending our stretch up and forward and then relaxing. Now, a little bit on the breath. The breath is said to be ideal when you barely notice your breathing. Okay, that's the ultimate level of breathing where you have good chi flow through your whole entire system, okay? It's very hard to attain that. I certainly haven't. But the point is you want to have nice, relaxed, deep, incredible breathing, okay? So that's number 1. That's part 1 of number 1, okay? Presenting the pestle, okay? So that's going to be stretching out like this. And then we're going to go right into part 2, which is bringing the energy in, and we're going to spread it out to the hands, out to the sides, okay? So we're going left and right, energy going out while we're up on our toes, and again, our spine is going up and down. So we're going to breathe in nice and deep, and relax. In nice and deep, and relax. You want to challenge your balance, but you're stretching up and down, left and right. Incredible, incredible tendon ligament stretch. Feel the energy stretch, but then relax. See, we're relaxing, we're retracting. That's number 3. Okay, and then part 3 of presenting the pestle, part of the Yi Jin Jing series, is going to be up. Okay, so we've gone from forward and up. We've gone side to side and up. Now we're going completely up. So we're going to bring our energy and our hands up. We don't want to interlace our fingers. We want our fingers pointing to one another, and we're going up. So we're extending our spine. Nice deep stretch up, up on the toes, and then retract, relax. Really, really relax. Exhaling, and then deep breath in. Nice stretch up, 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 up. And then relax. We're going to do it a third time. Nice deep stretch up, up, up. Inhale. Retract and relax. And we'll stop there, presenting the pestle in those 3 forms, okay, for form number 1 of the Yi Jin Jing. Practice that. Practice that maybe once a week. Practice that once a week. It's an incredible tendon exercise to get good mobility and flexibility through all of your joints. And it's something that anybody can practice. Just remember, nice, relaxed, calm breathing, but full breath. Okay, remember when you're breathing, you're not just breathing air and oxygen, you're breathing energy at the same time. Nice and relaxed breathing, nice gentle stretches, and then nice gentle relaxation at the same time. Practice that and see if that helps your flexibility.